Hi guys, my name is Audrey Mbora. I am a social media influencer stroke manager, and today I am in one of the best schools in Nairobi, Kenya. I am in Mwiki at Lucs College, and today I am very privileged to be joined by one of the students at the Lucs. And what comes to mind when you hear the term cosmetology? Najua ujui. Just follow me, let me take you through it. So hi.
Hi too.
What's your name?
My name is Paris. Yeah, I'm a student here at Lucs College.
Okay,
yeah.
So kindly tell us, what are you pursuing at the Lucs? And yeah.
Here Lucs, I'm doing a diploma in cosmetology. For those who don't know what is the meaning of the word cosmetology, cosmetology is the study of both hairdressing and beauty therapy. Yeah, and as for me, I'm doing both. So diploma in hairdressing and beauty therapy.
So Paris, kindly tell us, why did you choose to go with cosmetology amongst all the other courses offered in the Lucs?
You know, first cosmetology, course like cosmetology ni passion. Kitu napenda. Napenda hii mambo na urembo. I like kujirembesha. Actually before nitoke kwa nyumba I can take sometimes so ni kitu ni passion. Yeah, niko na passion na this course.
Wow, umesikia warembo wanapenda mambo ya urembo. So besides that, what else do you do during your free time? Is it only class all the time?
No.
What else do you do besides class?
No, besides normal classes, I also play football. Yeah, I'm a footballer, guys, as you can see. And also we have different activities. Sometimes we have debates. Sometimes we go to swimming, and other activities.
Wow, that's amazing. So mmesikia hiyo mambo. So kindly give out a shout out to anyone you'd like this video to reach. Ungependa wajue nini? What would you like to tell them? Any advice from a pretty lady doing pretty courses? Tuambie kitu.
Okay, if you are a young lady out there, it is not only ladies, even gentlemen. Unatafuta shule to do a course in cosmetology, I would advise you to come at Lucs. Reason being, Lucs we have qualified trainers, equipment, and also school fees is affordable. Yeah, and umesikia beside normal classes, pia huwa tunajienjoy hapa na pale, so si kuboeka. Yeah.
Yes, that was my time. Thank you so much for your time, Paris. And that was my time at the Lucs. Now sahau, imagine kuleta tu mtu kwa the Lucs. Ukimshika tu mkono na mwambia kuna shule inaitwa Lucs, anakuja na enroll. You go back home with your 2,000 shillings. Peke hiyo yote tu ya kuenroll, kusaidia mtu kuenroll here. So kindly share this video, kindly invite your friends, tell them about the Lucs. We are happy to have you all.